Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pretzel dogs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pack of the soft pretzel bread, the sausage buns. I have a pack of beef ballpark hot dogs and also cheese. Okay guys, the first thing you're going to do is put your hot dogs into boiling water. We're going to boil them for 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, next you want to cut your pretzel buns in half, making sure you don't cut all the way through. Okay guys, once your hot dogs are done, all you want to do is place them onto the bun. You want to set your oven to 400 degrees. Then we're going to get 4 pieces of aluminum foil and we're going to wrap each pretzel dog separately. When you wrap your pretzel dogs, make sure you wrap them as tight as you can. Once all your pretzel dogs are wrapped, we're going to put them onto a baking sheet. We're going to put them into our oven, 400 degrees, for 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes, and as you can see, the pretzel dogs got a light crisp on the outside of the roll, and it's nice and cheesy. Cheese is nice and melted. Be careful when you unwrap them because they're extremely hot. Now all I'm going to do is just add a little bit of mustard on. And there you have it, your pretzel dogs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.